Hey, to transfer data from your old Android phone to your Huawei Nova Y61, first on the both devices you have to open the Huawei clone application. So on the Huawei Nova Y61 you can find this application as default. So it's located in the Huawei apps folder. That's the name of the application, the phone clone. Click agree if you open it, and we have to select that this is the new device. So click right here and now accept every permission that is popping up right now at the bottom of your screen. Select the old device type. So right now we will send data from the Android phone. Click next. And right now on this old phone we have to install the same application. So you have to open the Play Store. You have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data. Tap on the search pool and type phone clone. And that's the application that we have to install on our Android phone. Now just wait for a few seconds until the installation process will be finished. And when it's done, you have to click open. Now accept every permission that is popping right now at the bottom of your screen and select this is the old device. And right now accept permission. So click allow. There we go. And right now we have to scan this QR code. But if you have problem with your camera, for example the camera is broken, you can also connect manually by inputting this data. So you can decide, I'm gonna scan the QR code. Just like that. Click that this is the old device. Okay, for some reason we have to do this one more time. And also that's an issue with the application, so let's try to open it. Let's repeat. If for some reason this application is not working for you, you can also go to the browser and type phone clone application. So right now we can take a look for this application from the browser. We can open the official Huawei website and let's get this application on this from this Huawei website. So accept every permission and tap to install via browser. Let's check the details. As you can see, the download is finished, but also we have to get rid of this application. So click uninstall, and now we can install this phone clone via browser. Click open right now, accept the permissions. Okay, let's try to scan the code. There we go. As you can see right now we are successfully connected. So I just wonder if that's the issue with my phone or basically the Play Store application is outdated. Click connect when you have this notification. Here we have the notification that connection is successful. Accept the permissions, and as you can see right here from your old device you can basically send everything that you want. So we can just select all. But if you want to, for example, transfer only contacts or messages, you can do this by selecting everything that you want. But let's say that I only want to transfer the music. So I'm gonna go to the music, go to the downloads, and I want to send this track. Then I have to click X one more time, and tap to transfer. Now it is sending my data. It's complete on the both devices. We can tap to ignore, we don't need to enable this backup. And now let's take a look, let's search for this music, where it is located. So we have to locate the files. That's the files folder on the Huawei Nova Y61. Accept the permissions, and as you can see our track is located right here in the download manager. So when you click on the browse, here we can find this downloads folder, the download manager. So yeah, as you can see, that's all. Bye.